We all are dreamers. We all have specific goals, and I know we all are working towards it. But today I'm going to share you some steps to achieve your goals easily. Myself Trupti Dikhe, I'm a parenting coach and trainer. Before I forget, I would like to request you to share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Friends, we all have goals, isn't it? And we all are taking different steps to achieve these goals. But you know, there are some specific steps. If we follow the steps, then it will be very much easy for you to achieve your goals. The very first thing, we need to decide what we want exactly. Most of the time it happens कि हम लोग को बहुत सारी चीजें चाहिए, लेकिन we don't write it down. It is just randomly कि yes, I want this, I want that. But the first thing that you need to do, that you need to decide कि I want this particular thing. The second step you need to do, that is you need to write down your goals. I would like to tell you that only 3% people, they write down their goals and then they can achieve it easily. So I would request you all to please write down your goals. The next thing you need to do is you need to put a deadline. Deadline creates an urgency to achieve your goals. If you have a specific deadline, then your brain will get an idea कि okay, इतने टाइम में इतना मुझे ये गोल कंप्लीट करना है. So the third step is put a deadline to your goal. The next thing you need to do is write down some list of activities that you need to do to achieve your goal. It can be anything. जो भी आपके दिमाग में आ रहा है कि ये गोल कंप्लीट करने के लिए मुझे ये सारी चीजें करनी है, वो सारी चीजें आपको लिखनी है. You need to make a list. The next step is now you need to have a proper plan. You need to prioritize all your activities. Now you have all these activities randomly in front of you. आपने बहुत सारी चीजें लिखी है कि मुझे ये करना है, ये करना है. अभी आपको आपकी वो सारी चीजें prioritize करनी है, आपको proper plan बनाना है. The next step is now it's time to take action. Immediately you are going to take a specific action. जितनी भी आपने एक्टिविटीज लिखी है उसमें से कोई तो एक एक्टिविटी आपको तुरंत करनी है. बिकॉज मुझे ये आपको बताना बहुत अच्छा लगेगा क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग they are very good in planning but they don't execute. So it is very important to execute your plan. So immediately you need to complete an activity. You need to do one specific activity, and the next thing you need to do is every day you will take a step towards your goal. So friends, follow these steps and it will be easy for you to achieve your goal. So I would like to request you all to again make this 7-step plan, follow it regularly and see what result you are getting. And also don't forget to like, subscribe and comment about this video. Thank you so much.